Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome back to my quilting studio. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you, and I think you're going to love it. I know I am super excited to open this up and see what is in here. It is currently for pre-sale, so I'm going to just go ahead and open the box and show you what's in there so that you can go ahead and get your own. So what I have here is the new LOKLiK iCraft cutter, and this is a cutter just like a Cricut machine. So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. I am super excited. I can't wait to do our first project with this. So it comes with a mat, a green mat, which is a standard mat that you can use for vinyl and heat transfer vinyl. Looks like they sent some of that with it so that you can practice. Some sheets of vinyl that are included in here. Very nice. And then, or I like to call this the love letter, but this is the information about your machine. So I believe it's your instruction booklet. It is. Here's your user manual. Comes with everything that you need to know. Just letting you know about the brand. And then of course, everything that comes with your machine and a quick start so that you can get started making beautiful projects. See what she looks like. Oh, there's more in here, so let's see what's in here first. So you get your cord, and that actually, so you can plug directly into your computer if you want to, or you can do it via Bluetooth, which is how I usually do it. Power cord. Looks like you've got a pen for, so that if you want to make like cards or whatever, it can write for you. So it does the same things that the Cricut machine does. So here's your thicker felted side. And then here's the fine tip right there. I'm not sure if Cricut pins work in this, but we will definitely test that out since I have a bunch of Cricut pins. And I will tell you which one. I'll give you my opinions on which one the pros and cons of both. Oh, that's cute. So it's like a little holder for your tools. This is neat. This comes with your blades and the actual blade housing, so you actually get some extra blades with this. And then your weeding tool, which is really cool. So, comes with that. This screws off. I think you can get other attachments for this as well, but I'm not 100% positive, but I think you can. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that beautiful collar right there. beautiful. She's so pretty in the lavender. So you can get this in 3 colors. You can get it in white, lavender, and I believe blue. And it's a really pretty blue. But I love this lavender color. My goodness. Look at that. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't this beautiful? So this is the new LOKLiK iCraft cutter. This part comes over here and it hooks onto this side right there so that you can put your tools in there. And that way you don't lose your stuff. You store your cord in there, your blades. Okay, so this is what she looks like. And like I said, we will be doing our very first project with this soon. But you can get it for pre-order right now, and I will have all of the information down below in the description box so that if you would like to grab yours, you are more than welcome to. These cost much less than a Cricut cutting machine. So I will link below for Black Friday in that description box. You don't want to miss this one, guys. All right, so this machine is awesome in the fact that it makes it so that you can cut larger materials. So you don't actually have to have a mat to cut on this particular cutter. If you have it's got that technology where you can put a roll of smart vinyl on here and it will cut that. So you can cut larger projects with that. So it just depends on how big your project is and how long your vinyl is going to be as to how much and how big you can make your design. So I hope that you have enjoyed seeing this brand new unboxing of the LOKLiK iCraft cutter. And if you would like to follow me, the links are they're down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you can get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.